Welcome to ECE 253, Administration of Early Childhood Programs. I am Lori Marmerstone and I will be your instructor for this course. I am very excited to be facilitating this course. Again, I've been teaching this course for several years and it is one of my favorite classes to teach. I have been an administrator of an early childhood program and I really enjoyed that job. My favorite part of that job was mentoring teachers and developing curriculum, and that's what led me to Harper College so I could continue to mentor future teachers and then teach about early childhood curriculum. So again, this is a course that is near and dear to my heart, so welcome, and I hope that you will enjoy this class, and I am here to help facilitate this process and to help you be successful. So again, welcome. So what I want to do in this short video is just to help you navigate through Blackboard and then just to show you where everything is located and just to encourage you to read through your syllabus and the material so that you are familiar with the expectations of the class. Since this is an online class, I will be posting videos like this throughout the semester to help detail various assignments in the class and to help you further understand those expectations. So again, sometimes it's hard to understand what the expectations are with assignments when you're not able to see and talk to someone face to face. And so I want to try to ensure that you are able to understand these assignments and expectations and know exactly what details you are supposed to put into your coursework. So I will be posting these throughout the semester. And then again, if you ever have any questions about anything, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. The best way to get in touch with me is through email, but you are more than welcome to contact me by phone. I have conference hours, and you can find that in the faculty information link here as well. I have conference hours from 12 to 2 on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And if you ever need to speak with me face-to-face, I am more than happy to schedule an appointment with you at will. So there's my information there as well. So if you found this video, congratulations, because you were able to click into the weekly course modules link here and you were able to find that video. So this is what we will be doing each week. I will post a new course module and it will have all of the information that you will need to navigate through the material in the course that will be due and expected for you to read through or watch a video or whatever that information may be for that week. Each week's a little bit different. Every week we read a little bit. We always respond to a discussion board. Since we're unable to have conversations face-to-face, our discussion board is a way for you guys to apply what you're learning, discuss that with your peers, and then respond to your peers as well. And then I will kind of be the great and powerful Oz that kind of oversees that. I don't respond much to those, but I am there in the background watching and reading what you are posting to see how you are applying and interpreting that information in there as well. So in that week 1 module, you'll find the first thing that you'll find is the video, but since I am currently recording the video, it is not posted on Blackboard just yet. So you will see the video, so it'll look a wee bit different than what you're seeing here on my screen. But you'll see the video, then you'll also see the course syllabus. So again, you're going to want to make sure that you click into the course syllabus. This will give you the overview of all of the expectations, the course descriptions, the topics, the outcomes for the course. So you'll want to make sure that you read this. I'm not going to read through this to you on this video. I know that would be very, very boring. And I know you're quite capable and intelligent and can read through this on your own. So read through this whenever you have a chance. Read through it a couple times so that you are familiar and you don't miss anything. We will not be having any sort of formal exams in this class. The only thing you'll be doing is this quick syllabus quiz, which is on the module as well. And the syllabus quiz is just a way for you to kind of have a scavenger hunt in the syllabus. It forces you to read through it. It forces you to find certain information. As you're searching for that information, hopefully you're reading all of the information to find it. And then it just ensures that you have read the syllabus and understand everything. So that's 10 points. It's easy. You can click into that syllabus quiz. You can take it as many times as you want to score a perfect score on it. You just have 1 week to complete it. That is the only stipulation for that. The other things on here, you can see the point totals for all the other assessments, which are in the form of written work in this classroom format, which is an online format. And you can read through those expectations for the assignments in this syllabus as well. So you can see that there. Again, don't let problems or late work go unattended. If you're having issues getting the work done, If you have an emergency that comes up and you are having difficulty getting things done, please reach out to me. Everything will be kept confidential. I want you to be successful, so if you need a little bit of extra time or you need something, we need to talk about some things, then please just reach out. I want you to be successful. And if that means, giving you a little extra time for something because something's going on in your life that is preventing you from legitimately preventing you from getting your work in, then I want to work with you and make sure that we can allow you to be successful and complete this course. It talks about technical requirements that you will need to be able to access Blackboard and submit your work. Please read through the course policies here. Assignments, again, read through the assignment policy here as well, what I'm expecting from you. Everything has to be typed, 12-point font, double space, college level writing. Again, if you're someone that struggles with writing, there is information on the syllabus that points you to the writing center or the tutoring center so that you can get additional help if you need that. If you submit a paper late, it's automatically reduced by 1 grade, and no assignments will be accepted 2 weeks after they are due. Also, assignments will have to be uploaded on Blackboard via the assignments link for that specific assignment. I do not accept emailed assignment unless I ask you to email it to me. So please make sure that you do not email me assignments. I will email you back and tell you to submit it in the appropriate place on Blackboard. I do accept extra credit for a total of 3 times or up to 15 points. You can earn extra credit in different ways. There is a Student Education Association on the campus at Harper. They have meetings monthly. We currently don't have a schedule of those meetings yet because we are still looking for a leader for that organization, but as soon as we have that in place and those dates, I will share those with you as well. You can also attend different professional development trainings throughout the years. You may be working in a center and have trainings monthly. You can submit information about those trainings and I will give you extra credit. So if you have questions about extra credit in that format, please feel free to reach out and I can give you some more specific information on that as well. Please read through the information on student conduct. Very important information that you need to know there. Also, make sure that you read through the student support services or student support resources. Again, these are critical for your success. Again, if you need help in any of these areas, this is the contact information and location of those resources. So read through those as well. And then be aware of the student safety and awareness information as well. This is very important as well, too. So all of that information is included in your syllabus. After all that information is the course outline. Again, this is just a tentative outline. It doesn't have a lot of information in it. It's pretty vague. It just kind of goes through the flow of the class, kind of showing you how we're going to go through the textbook, which is pretty much just kind of in the order that it's written. There's a couple chapters that are flipped around, but for the most part, we're just kind of going through as the textbook is written because it flows very nicely in the order that the information is presented. Within this course outline as well, lists when different assignments are due, so you can kind of see that and make sure that you schedule your time accordingly to get those things done. I'm not going to go into details about the assignments in this video. As these assignments come down the pipeline, I will give some more detailed information about the expectations and how to complete them as well, but you can read through those expectations in the meantime and just kind of get a feel for those and what those will entail. Please read through the discussion board assessment and guidelines. I have students that lose easy points on the discussion board every semester because they do not read through these guidelines. Make sure that you read through these. Make sure that you post your initial responses early so that you can have the potential for full credit. These should be easy points. So make sure that you understand how I'm grading on the discussion board so that you are not confused whenever I give you low points because you're not responding in an appropriate amount of time. So read through those. If you have any questions about that, let me know. And then again, here's all the information for all the other assignments that you will be required to submit throughout the semester. So there's 7 assignments. These assignments really do help to give you a feel for what it's like to be an administrator in an early childhood program. They give you a lot of variety of types of things that you would be doing as a director in a program, and so that's the purpose for those assignments and for the amount of the assignments. So make sure that you read through them and you understand what they are going to require of you during the semester. I wanted to point out in that week 1 module, you will see information on observations. You don't technically have to observe students, but you still need to have an updated background check done. So if you have not had fingerprinting done through Harper College, you will need to purchase that ECE kit in the bookstore. The Harper bookstore is the only place that you can purchase it. When you purchase that binder, you have paid for that fingerprinting. It is good for you are fingerprinted through the Illinois State Police and through an FBI check, so you have both of those covered, so that's what you are paying for, and they are valid for 2 years. If you have already gone through this process for another course, maybe ECE 101 or 115, then you don't have to repeat this if it's within the 2-year time frame. If you are unsure if it's expired, just send me a quick email. I'll look on our database. I'll let you know if you're still good or if it's expired and you need to repeat it. So again, make sure that you do purchase that kit. If you've never done a background check through Harper College, even if you've had a background check done through your employer, you still have to go through the process through Harper. We want you to go through our process through the organization that we use so that we know that it's legit, we know who it covers, and then we have your information on file so that we know that you've completed it, so whenever you go to observe in another course that you've already completed it. So again, if you have questions about the background check, please just let me know. And if you do need to get that background check done, here's some information about coming onto campus and having it done there. If you're unable to make it to campus to one of these time slots, you can click on the Accurate Biometrics website and you can find a location near you, and you can just go into their building, have it done there, and then you will they will give you a receipt of your fingerprinting, and you can submit that as proof of that. And then Harper College just receives that information. All we receive is a yes or a no. Were you cleared or weren't you cleared? And then we just put that on file so that we know who's able to go through with those observation hours or be in a school. The schools are very, very particular. They don't want people just coming in without having that background check done. I know you can probably understand and appreciate that in today's world. And so everybody has to have a background check if you're going into a program to do anything, whether it's observe, interview a director, or whatever it might be. So this is for one of the assignments that you will be doing. You will be responding to a discussion board this week. Simple, just introducing yourself, telling a little bit about yourself. So you're going to click into the discussion board here. You're going to find the week 1 introduction. You're going to click into it. There's nothing there. So what you need to do is you need to click on this Create Thread button here, and then you need to include the information for your post. When you're done writing that, then you need to hit Submit. Here's all of the information that you will be including in that initial post. Let me go back here. It's going to make me click back into this. So again, what you're going to do, again, watch the orientation video that will be here for you to watch, what you are watching now. You're going to read through your syllabus, take the syllabus quiz. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the Blackboard site and expectations for the course. Make sure you purchase your textbook and any other materials that you may need. And if you have any questions for me, feel free to email me. So this is all of the information that you will need for this week. I will be posting another course module for week 2, probably middle of the week, so you can click into that as soon as it's available and get started on stuff for the following week if you want to do that. But again, check Blackboard often. Anytime I post an announcement, I always email a copy of that announcement as well so that you will get that. So make sure that you have forwarded your Harper email to an email account that you check regularly, or log into your Harper account so that you don't miss any information for this class. Log in a few times a week to make sure that you are able to stay current on everything, and make sure that you manage your time well. One of the things that I want to point out is that even though this is an online class, the expectations are still, time-wise, the same as a face-to-face class. Face-to-face classes are 3 credit hours. This is a 3 credit hour class. And so you need to log on and spend as much time as you would online as you would sitting in a classroom. So it's the same thing. So allot yourself that time. Don't think that just because it's an online class, it's less work. It's not less work. It's, sometimes it's even more. It's just a matter of you being able to manage that time and to schedule your time wisely so that you're getting your work done and doing it more independently because you're not sitting in a classroom. But again, I'm here to guide you, to facilitate this course. I'm here to help you succeed and to make sure that I am able to help you in any way that I can to be successful and to complete this course. So if you have any questions, then feel free to email me, and I can't wait to work with you this semester. Bye-bye.